I stayed at the Bradley Hotel in downtown Fort Wayne, Indiana. It was designed and co-owned by one of the co-creators of the Vera Bradley brand, and you can see the design aesthetic of the Vera Bradley brand with all of the amazing fabrics and colors that are used within the hotel. They have their own exclusive Vera Bradley bag that has peonies and cardinals and the Fort Wayne skyline on it. It is only available at the Bradley Hotel. The
Hey everyone, I just
room I
checked
stayed in
into
on
the
the fourth
Bradley
floor
Hotel in
worked
Fort
out
Wayne,
great.
Indiana, and I wanted to give you a look
There is
around
an
the
open
room.
air
I'm on the
luggage thing,
fourth
you can see it
floor,
there. There's a really
and this
great
room
desk
is
that I got a ton of work
gorgeous.
at.
There's a
A
Keurig in the
with
room,
a couple K-cups here,
coffee,
and a mini fridge.
a
Perfect
mini
for bringing your favorite
fridge, this
drink.
really great
It's
work
easy and comfortable to
space,
work at this
lounge
desk
chair.
space. The
And look
beds
at how
are
lovely this is.
firm-ish, so if you're okay with that, you'll love it.
Absolutely
You know, great
gorgeous. I
Vera
have to
Bradley
point out,
inspired
if you
fabric
see
on
this
the
pattern
back, and the
on
key
the
card holder
key,
is just super
you
cute.
can get
Open
a
closet.
very specific
The
Vera
bathroom
Bradley
had
bag
everything that I
in that
needed during
pattern,
my stay.
only available
There's
at the
shampoo,
hotel, which
conditioner,
means
and
it's a perfect
soap
reason to come
in
to Fort Wayne.
the shower.
The bathroom is
There's even a
gorgeous.
steamer here if you need to steam your
Everything
clothes
you
and look nice. We
need
saw lots of
to
weddings
enjoy
and
time
events, so
in
this is a
Fort
great
Wayne, Indiana.
addition for anyone who may need it. Lotion,
Make
makeup
sure to
wipes
check out Tamely Tips
available.
for more info on all the
Everything
things
you
we're
could
doing
need
while
right
we're here in
in the
Fort
room.
Wayne.
That yellow chair is comfortable without being so comfy you want to fall asleep. There's an in-room safe in the bottom drawer in case you need it. It is a flat safe. You can see there is space if you wanted to put a laptop or something like that in it, and then tuck it away in the drawer. Downstairs, you'll find Arbor Restaurant that's open for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. We had both dinner and breakfast, and it was wonderful. Really great staff, fun, cool aesthetic in the restaurant. The chairs are comfy. Upstairs is Birdies Rooftop Bar, which I think is a must visit if you're in Fort Wayne. Look at this view. It's just absolutely gorgeous. The staff was phenomenal, and they have really fun drinks, wine, beer, an epic flamingo cocktail that comes in a flamingo inspired martini glass. We had dessert, and the apple cobbler was delicious. That changes seasonally. They also had a pecan pie cobbler jar, and both of these were great with Kilwin's vanilla ice cream. The different fruits change seasonally, and here's a look at the flamingo cocktail. It was so good. I would go back again just for that cocktail and this gorgeous, gorgeous view. Make sure to check out Tamely Tips for more info on all the fun things to do in Fort Wayne and great restaurants to visit.